For the latest around COVID-19, the Western Cape's cases have now surpassed the numbers that were recorded in the first wave. The hospital admissions are also expected to increase in the coming weeks as the Delta variant continues to be the driving factor behind the surge. Newzroom Africa's Athi Mtongana reports.
Hundreds of educators from the Provincial Department of Education. This Tygerberg vaccination site, which is one of many across the Western Cape province, has a capacity to accommodate 1,000 per day. With the daily active cases increasing, the Provincial Department of Health says it is trying hard to get as many teachers vaccinated as possible before their vaccines expire.
We surpassed the first wave numbers, and currently, as we have determined that in all of the indicators we are in the third wave, as also has been confirmed by the national. And also, as we have heard, that the Delta variant is the one that currently is dominating in South Africa and also, of course, in the Western Cape, although we might have other variants. But also it's highly transmissible, which is almost 60% more than the beta one that was there during the second wave.
Over 1,900 people are currently admitted at both private and public health care facilities in the province, and over 400 are in ICU.
After the second wave, the field hospital, like in Lendegeer, Mitchell's Plain, it was empty. Which is we still have those beds in Sonstraal, which is in the Cape Winelands to accommodate the rural, is still there. It used to be a TB hospital. In the Bracken Gate, which the Premier visited there, and we still have got beds. In Garden Route, Jericho May, we added a temporary structure there. We still have beds.
Oxygen supply is an area of great concern.
There was a time there was a possibility that we might be running out of oxygen, the country, because it was affecting mostly the coastal, because most of the plants, the major plants, are in Gauteng, in Mpumalanga and all of those.
According to the Western Cape Department of Education, by the end of this week on Friday, over 20,000 vaccines would have been administered to the education sector in the province. For Newzroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Athi Mtongana in Cape Town.